Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes without eggs. First, let's look at common egg substitutes. Applesauce or mashed banana are excellent choices, with 1/4 cup replacing each large egg. Another fantastic option is a flax egg, made by combining 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water. These simple swaps are key to delicious, moist, and fluffy egg-free cupcakes, ensuring your baking is both easy and successful. Achieving the perfect texture in egg-free cupcakes relies on smart leavening. A combination of baking soda and vinegar creates a wonderful chemical reaction, providing the necessary lift. Typically, 1 teaspoon of baking soda paired with 1 tablespoon of vinegar works wonders. Additionally, maintaining adequate fat content, whether from oil or butter, is crucial for ensuring your cupcakes remain moist and tender, not dry or crumbly. To truly enhance the flavor and moisture of your egg-free cupcakes, consider incorporating ingredients like buttermilk or yogurt. These not only add a delightful tanginess, but also contribute significantly to a moist crumb. Fruit purees, such as pumpkin or avocado, can also lend richness and depth. Don't forget to boost the overall taste with extracts like vanilla or almond, ensuring every bite is bursting with deliciousness. For baking success, remember a few crucial tips. First, avoid overmixing your batter. Mix only until the ingredients are just combined to prevent tough cupcakes. Bake your cupcakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. To check for doneness, simply insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, your delicious egg-free treats are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.